What's going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. I haven't done an update on GameStop, or other words, ticker symbol GME, in a while. If you had watched my previous video, I was explaining how we would continue this downtrend, which we currently are. So I'm making this video to make an update. Other than that, let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So I have my support and resistance lines already set, and I'll explain to you how I found them. We are starting at the daily time frame so we can see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in. If we start from a smaller time frame, then basically we'll be trading blind. So let's go ahead and dive in and start with where we're at. So today the market's been open about 2 hours. We're down 9% at 143.69. So this red line right here is representing our major support line that has been tested. If we look left, you guys, we have two candlesticks that have bounced in this area. On the opposite side, we have seen that candlesticks have been consolidating or rejected in this area. We keep going to our left. We have this candlestick that peekabooed in this area, and then these two on the opposite side. If we want to, we could go further back in time and predict these levels. Obviously, we weren't in these levels back in the day because this was pumped up to where we're at now. But okay, let's continue to where we're at. So this candlestick is creating a lower low, you guys. We can see that up here we tested this minor resistance, and ultimately every time that we tested, we got rejected. Usually after the second or third time, there's a fail, which is right here. See, we're failing, and we're pulling back all the way down to our major support level. So I would say that there would be a good buy opportunity to get in to catch a bounce if you're a swing trader or a day trader. So wait until we get back to the 125 level, and then obviously have your stop loss below that in maybe around 110 or 115 to protect your portfolio, you guys. Because if you're not using stop loss or a mental stop loss, then what are you doing? You're basically gambling, right? So other than that, you should always have a trading plan, having your set your target, your entry, and then also your stop loss or your mental stop loss on when you're going to get out. So as of right now, like I said, we came up, hit this minor resistance. If we look left, all these candlesticks on the opposite side has either been rejected or bounced in this area. We have these candlesticks, like I said, that came up right here, rejected, came up, consolidated, rejected, came up, consolidated, and rejected, ultimately failing. We look left, we have another candlestick in this area that ultimately hit this and gapped up. Over here we have another candlestick, and it's not touching, but it's in the same area, general area. And then we have one literally resting right on our minor resistance as of right now. So like I said, you guys, wait for further confirmation. Let's see this retest our support line. Like I said, once we get back into that area, that would be a great opportunity to buy and set your first target. Your first target would be back up here at our previous highest point, which was our minor resistance area, which was around the $200 mark, or you can set it to the lower, safer side, which would be the 166. Like I said, just make sure you use stop loss, you guys. I wouldn't say to get in right now, like I said, because who are you to say that this is going to automatically just come back up into our resistance area without testing our major support level. So like I said, if we do see a bounce on this level, I would have your target set back up in these areas, so that way you can collect your profits. And like I said, if you're a core trader and you plan on holding long term, also still have the same stop loss or mental stop loss, but your target would be much higher. It would be back up here at the 282 since you're holding long term. But other than that, you guys, I like to make these very quick and simple, so that way you guys can just kind of understand what you're looking at and where we're at on each stock. If you want me for me to break down a stock for you, put them in the comment box below. But first, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Excuse me. But other than that, I hope you guys have a happy trading day and continue to watch my videos.